In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product to cart on Alibaba. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a product, choose the right options, add it to your cart, and review everything before you move forward. Start by heading to Alibaba.com. On the home page, click Sign In and log into your account so your cart saves properly across devices. Signing in also helps the site show you accurate pricing and shipping based on your region. If you're already logged in, you're ready to go. Use the search bar at the top to type the name of the product you're looking for. Be specific with keywords to narrow results, like adding a model, material, or size. To improve quality and reliability, apply filters such as trade assurance, which protects your order and payment, verified supplier, which indicates the seller's business has been checked, and ready to ship if you need faster dispatch. When you see a product that matches your needs, click its listing to open the product page. On the product page, select the options offered by the supplier, such as color, size, material, or model. Only options that are in stock will usually be clickable. Take a moment to confirm that the selections on the screen match what you intend to order so the correct variant is added to your cart. Enter the quantity you want. Make sure it meets the MOQ or minimum order quantity, which is the smallest amount the supplier is willing to sell. Pricing may be tiered, so ordering more can change the per unit cost. Review the price shown and any notes about packaging or customization that might affect the total. Next, look over the shipping information displayed on the page. You'll often see estimated freight, delivery times, and available methods. These vary by destination and product weight, so verify that the timeline and cost work for you before proceeding. When everything looks right, click Add to Cart. Wait for the on-screen confirmation that the item was added successfully. If you don't see an Add to Cart option, the supplier may only allow Buy Now or Contact Supplier. That's common for customized or made-to-order items. In that case, you can message the supplier for a quote. To review what you've added, click the cart icon at the top of the page. Here you can confirm item details, quantities, and supplier information. You can edit quantities to match the MOQ, remove items you no longer need, and compare similar products from different suppliers side by side before you proceed. That's it. You've added a product to your Alibaba cart with confidence.